Right in the center of Saigon, just a few minutes walk from Notre Dame Cathedral, there is a small roundabout everyone knows by name, Turtle Lake. There is a lake, but no turtle. So why do Saigonese still call it Turtle Lake? And what made this place a part of so many generations' memories? The name Turtle Lake comes from a metal turtle statue that once stood at the center of the lake in the 1970s. After many changes and events, the statue disappeared, but the name remained. Since then, Turtle Lake has lived on, not as an object, but as a familiar memory in the heart of the city. But long before it was called Turtle Lake, this place went through many changes. In the late 19th century, the French built a large water tower called Château. It appeared in postcards sent back to Europe and was seen as a symbol of modern Saigon at the time. In the 1920s, the water tower was dismantled. The area was redesigned and renamed several times, from Soldiers Square to International Square. It was always an important crossroads, but it had not yet become a true icon until the 1970s. In the early 1970s, architect Nguyễn Kỳ gave the area a new identity. 5 concrete pillars rose like flowers petals, with a spiral stone walkway leading into the center of the lake. What made the design special was its openness. There were no railings, even though it stood in the middle of busy traffic. The openness invited people in, turning Turtle Lake into a shared urban space. From the moment it was completed, it quickly became a favorite meeting spot for students and young people. After 1975, an event caused the turtle statue and the central monument to disappear. But the name Turtle Lake continued to be used warmly and naturally. In the 1980s and 1990s, the lake remained a familiar hangout. Students singing with guitars, young people taking graduation photos, couples choosing it for wedding pictures. Even without its original center, Turtle Lake has become a shared memory, a place that helps the youth of many generations. More than half a century later, Turtle Lake remains part of Saigon's daily rhythm. By day, it offers a quiet place to rest beneath the trees. By night, headlights circle the lake, blending with people's voices and laughters. The city keeps changing, but Turtle Lake still holds a gentle, peaceful corners of Saigon. Turtle Lake is not just a roundabout or a concrete structure. It is where generations of Saigonese left a piece of their youth. For those far from the city, just hearing the name Turtle Lake can bring memories rushing back, clear, emotional, like an old song that never truly ends. Turtle Lake, an unforgettable memories of Saigon.